got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now?
Hey guys, or should I say, hi besties. This video series we're gonna do what I eat in a week to stay fat, and I mean PHAT. Pretty hot and tempted. No, but yeah, we're gonna first start off with me some sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits. So I have my can of biscuits, bam, right here, and I'm finna get it on. Y'all see me turn the oven on already? Let's get down to business. We don't got time to waste, because guess what? Your girl still gotta go to work today, so gotta cook, I gotta eat, then go to work.
It just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me.
It's okay, Curtis, if you can't find it.
You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you
Singing your favorite song, look in the crowd, you know where to be from as they sit on the road. I say you look good out on makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see a hot lady, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, on your bed while you're sitting in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you you mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day, you don't gotta reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody.
I got my sausage in the pan, like I'm about to show y'all right now. But I got my sausage in the pan, and we're just gonna make some little sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits right quick with a side of fruit, because we gotta get our fruit in for today. But yeah, let's see what your girl got cooking. It's a little bit more light right here. I should have brought my light down, but let me show y'all. Look at those patties, honey. Y'all not hood if y'all don't eat these sausage patties right here. These are hood sausage patties with some grits and stuff, but we ain't gonna do all that. We ain't gonna do all that because we gotta go to work today. So let's cook these up. I got my biscuits in the oven. Now we're gonna scramble some cheese, and that's gonna be our little brunch for today. Yeah, stay tuned, besties. Stay tuned, besties. Let's get these eggs. Got my eggs. I got white American cheese. Got my eggs, y'all. Yeah. Really, let me see if y'all can see me go right here. It's a little dark, but I really woke up way too late to be cooking, because I should have got up earlier to make this breakfast, but I didn't. Your girl was tired from yesterday. You know, after a holiday, you be real tired. Your girl was tired, but she did make a commitment to get up and shoot a video, because I got to keep going whether people watch it or not. I got to keep going, because eventually somebody gonna watch my videos, and I'm gonna be like, I told y'all the day I was doing that week, what I eat in a week video, people were gonna start watching my videos. Gotta put it out in the atmosphere, guys. Put it out in the atmosphere. Let's crack these eggs, honey.
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your game. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space. That I need it, baby, I'm late, but I check in with you.
That's how they do like.
Wouldn't wanna leave, sitting all right. Wouldn't wanna please, even my mind, my body. My body is I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going
Give it a little sprinkle of salt.
How long can you go, baby? And it lasts so much body so I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space. I need it, baby, I'm late, but I can't.
Alright, guys. Next step. Put your cheese in it. And then we're going to make the lighting is so bad in this kitchen. Next we're gonna make we got the biscuits, put our cheese and our eggs. We're gonna put these sandwiches together, baby. Just wait 1 minute. Got the goods, guys. I got that watermelon. Let me show y'all this watermelon because, baby, your girl picked it out of her own. So let me show you. Yes, nice and red. Ooh. Looks so good. Sausage is ready. Our eggs ready. I haven't did the eggs yet because the biscuits is still going. If y'all can see. This is not ready yet. Okay, so give it a few minutes and I'll pull y'all back up. Our scrambled eggs are ready, guys. Sausage ready. I already plated up the fruit in here. I'm just gonna do watermelon today because we're even ahead of, and just gonna do watermelon today because we're eating a heavy biscuit. So we don't need too heavy because we're still gonna eat lunch. We gotta eat all this food, guys, by 7 o'clock. Guys, this is our final plate for our little brunch meal. The sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Yeah, looks yummy. I'll see y'all at lunch. Hey guys, it is now lunchtime. So you know your girl is at work as usual, Thursday through Sunday. So I'm gonna make me something a little different today because I'm tired of eating the same thing. So this is what I'm about to use. I got my boo to go by and get me some regular bread, and I'm gonna make me a turkey club warmed up. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got turkey on the grill. You see my toast up there, and then I got some green peppers and onions. And we're gonna add a little bacon, so we're gonna make a little club sandwich. But yeah, stay tuned while I put my club sandwich together. Focus, focus, focus. Hot. so good, y'all. But I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner. I don't know. Maybe a salad. Big old cup of water. I'll see you guys at dinner. Hey girls and guys. Oh, should I say my besties? I am back home from work and this is dinner for tonight. Let me show you what I got. My mama cooked and we got us some soul food, baby. Some soul food. Let me show y'all what I got. So your girl got her some cornbread dressing, some meatloaf, some collard greens, some sweet potatoes, and a little piece of pie, baby. But I'm not gonna eat that pie. That pie for somebody else. But yeah, that's your girl dinner.